What is going on, everybody? It is I am back for another day of fun. So as I told you guys yesterday, we are going to Lamborghini today to get a part of the new Lamborghini Urus event. As I mentioned yesterday, I have no idea what this holds. I don't know what's going on. I don't know how it's going to be set up. I don't know if there's going to be food. I don't know. So I'm going at this with a complete open mind. I'm also not too sure how strict they're going to be about filming. I mean, if it was me, I would want to be like, listen, you guys film all you want because that's just more publicity for us. So that's what I would think. And with Lamborghini, that's kind of what I'm expecting. But at the same time, they could be like, nah, this is top secret. No one's allowed to record, and I might have to sneak some footage. So we might get yelled at, we might not. We'll see where this day goes. I'm not really sure. In other news, a quick update. So today, it's actually beautiful outside. It's 50 degrees and sun. Cannot tell you the last time it was this nice outside. Either way, I spent about 2 hours today trying to get my truck started, and we're still not there. The truck, I sprayed starter fluid into the intake, thinking I might have a fuel pump issue. It's getting fuel. Checked the spark plugs, we're getting ignition. I checked every single fuse. We don't have any blown fuses. So I'm not really sure where to go next. The battery is reading fine. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. I'm gonna have to do some more troubleshooting on it, and hopefully we can get that figured out. If anybody has any other ideas about what that could possibly be, please let me know. I'm also not even getting an engine code, which is what really sucks, because I hook up my code reader and I'm not receiving any codes. So I'm not really sure what could be going on. So in other words, we are pretty much blind right now at this point. Either way, I'm stuck in pretty heavy traffic. I am off to go get my +1, which will be my best bro, Matt. I don't think you guys have met Matt. He's been my brother since we've been 5 years old. So I had a +1. He's gonna be my +1 tonight. So we're going to pick him up. He's just getting off of work, and then we're heading up to the Lambo dealership to have a night of fun. So we will see what this has in store, but for right now, I gotta get through this traffic. So we made it. Currently enjoying a $600 bottle of scotch. Yes, I said that correctly. I'm kind of just hanging low right now. I don't know if I'm allowed to film or not, but I'm trying to very discreetly. Just enjoying this beverage, about to grab some food. There is food, there's a lot of people here, there's lots of Lamborghinis. I'm where I should be right now. This is how I like my life. So we'll figure out where we're going from here. fantastic event right now done by Lamborghini. We've got more food, we've got more drinks, and we're currently just kind of waiting around for this reveal. This was limited to 150 people. It looks like probably about 150 people are here. So we're probably nearing in with the final reveal of the Urus. So what are your thoughts, Matt? Yeah, that's all you've got. That's it?
Yeah, that's great.
Man of many words. Place is filling up really quick. Excited to see what the reveal of this looks like.
Everybody, my name is Leonardo. I work for Lamborghini. I'm responsible for sales in the Northeast and Midwest here in the United States. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. With me tonight, my colleagues Charles and Vivian, after sales and marketing. First and foremost, I'd like to extend our thank you to the entire organization here at Lamborghini, Ohio, for putting together such a great event. We're very grateful for that and happy to be here with you tonight. You may or may not remember it, but in 1986, Lamborghini was the first super sport car manufacturer that stunned the world introducing a luxury SUV with the LM002. At that time, we were able to bring the vision of our founder into a reality. And we are still the first brand that ever introduced a luxury SUV in the world. Some 30 years later, tonight we're here to unveil you guys our new super sport SUV, the Lamborghini Urus. When you think about Lamborghini, you immediately think about some key attributes, right? So driving dynamics, performances, the design, the emotions that our vehicles give to their drivers. The world of the SUV is a little different. You think about comfort, you think about easiness, you think about the daily drivability. So you understand that for an engineer and designer, it's very, very difficult to put together worlds that seem so different from each other. And when we approached the idea of launching an SUV, we didn't want just to build an SUV and budget Lamborghini. We wanted to build a car that was able to carry our true DNA. And we believe that we have been successful with that. We took the best of the world of the Aventador and the Huracan Performante, and we combined it together. We took all the peculiarities, all the features of these two stunning vehicles of our portfolio, and we mapped it together and added attributes that are proper of the SUV world. Let's talk just briefly about the feature of this vehicle. First of all, the engine, our heart. We are an Italian company, the heart always comes first. We equipped the Urus with a V8 twin-turbo engine, capable of 650 horsepower. It's the most powerful SUV in the world. It's capable of a torque of 627 pound-feet available already at 2000 RPM. So that gives you all the power you need immediately in order to be used just like an SUV, but a super sport SUV. When it comes to the body of the vehicle, we didn't want to leave any compromise to the table. We used the same lightweight approach to the building of the car that we use for our supercars. And the vehicle weighs only 4,850 pounds with a body that is entirely in aluminum. This in order to make the vehicle not only more agile and faster, but also safer. Because a vehicle that has a smaller mass is also much easier to handle and also easier to brake when it's needed. Under the skin, the vehicle has the latest and the greatest technology available. Our four-wheel drive system now has torque vectoring. It does not only change the torque from the rear to the front axle, but it changes the torque from wheel to wheel in order to help you guys overcome the obstacles of the drive in a situation that is not particularly smooth. We have a four-wheel steering system, in-face and counter-face. What does it do? It shortens the wheelbase of the car when you're in a parking maneuver or when you're just at low speed, so it makes the vehicle virtually shorter. Or when it works in phase, makes the vehicle virtually longer by about 2 feet. so that the car is more stable at high speed. Suspension, guarantee candidate, air suspension that adjusts automatically according to the driving mode and the driving conditions. The height of the vehicle goes from a minimum of 6.5 inches to a maximum of 8.5 inches. That gives enough clearance and comfort of driving, but also gives you enough stability and grip on the road when you're driving at high speed. When it comes to the axle, we have equipped the Urus with an entire active roll bar system. What does it do? It stiffens the two suspension when you're driving at high speed to avoid the bending behavior of the car, but it couples completely the system in case you're driving in a road that is not exactly smooth. And last but not least, we have equipped this vehicle with the most powerful braking system in the world. The brakes are carbon ceramic, and in the front, the discs are as big as 17.3 inches with 10 pistons. This is just the biggest braking system in the world, and I will show you the performances. So all this technology, all this design, all this research and development led to unbelievable performances. The Urus accelerates from 0 to 62 miles an hour in 3.6 seconds. This is the fastest SUV in the world. It accelerates to 124 miles an hour in 12.8. The max speed of the vehicle is conservatively 189 miles an hour, again a record. And one of the measurements that stuns me the most is the 62 miles an hour to 0 braking distance, only 110 feet for a vehicle of almost 5,000 pounds. This is absolutely remarkable.
Alright, so there you have it, the Lamborghini Urus reveal. What a fantastic event done by Lamborghini. Unbelievable. The SUV, as you see right there, phenomenal car. Alcantara stitching all the way through. Beautiful heads-up display. Just a true driving machine. Unbelievable vehicle. We're going to sit here now. We're going to relax a little bit. We're going to enjoy some more wine. We're going to enjoy some more wonderful food. And continue to enjoy our time here with Lamborghini. And of course, what good's an event if you don't get official Lamborghini polos? Hell yeah. Gotta get something. This is awesome. Super excited to wear these. Alright, so we are done here. Mag, Lamborghini, thank you so much for the cordial hospitality. We had an absolute fantastic time. Since we are all dressed up and we are in the Dublin area, we are about to go grab some dinner. Where, I'm not really sure. But either way, once again, thank you so much, Lamborghini, for the hospitality. Thank you for having us. We had an absolute fantastic time. Appreciate the open bar. We certainly enjoyed that. Certainly enjoyed the food. And then, of course, seeing the main reason, the Lamborghini Urus. So, fantastic event. Thank you so much, Lamborghini. We appreciate it.
Stir-fried eggplant.
What a fantastic evening that is now coming to a close. Just got done at PF Chang's. Once again, I just want to thank Lamborghini for an absolute fantastic night. And I also want to thank my best bro Matt for coming along and being my +1, even though in reality he should be thanking me because it was such a fantastic event. Okay, just kidding. Either way, I had an absolute fantastic time. The Lamborghini Urus is absolutely beautiful. They're retailing in September for $200,000 base, and they will go up from there. Got some great talks with some great people, especially in talking to a few of the Porsche guys. So excellent night. Got some great food, some great alcoholic beverages, and I can't ask for a better night. So with that, we're going to be signing off here for the evening. I am driving home. I should be home in about 10 minutes. We're going to edit this video, and you guys will be seeing this tomorrow. So if you're watching this, this happened yesterday. So once again, thank you so much, Lamborghini. I hope everybody has a fantastic night. Peace out. And remember, you create your own story. Have a great night, guys.